Well, hello, all you beautiful bunches of coconuts. I just wanted to say a big thank you for everyone who took the time to wish me a happy birthday in my last video. Here's some photos of my luau theme party, and even Bo got into the action. This week, I just wanted to show you guys how to make a quick and easy neon shag carpet cake. Let's do it! So I just started out by dyeing all of my buttercream. All of these colors are AmeriColor. Electric blue, electric yellow, electric pink, and electric green. Then I started leveling out 4 9-inch round white cakes. Filled them with white buttercream. And then just sprinkled on some of these amazing sprinkles in the middle. And then just stacked it up. Then I started giving it a quick crumb coat of white buttercream just to hold in all those crumbs, and then stuck it in the freezer for about 15-20 minutes. And then I took 4 separate piping bags and filled them with each of my colors. And then I started piping 2 rows of the same color using my Wilton grass tip number 133. I just used a little bit of pressure, ensuring that the buttercream stuck to the cake before releasing the rest of that buttercream to make my shag. You can go as long or as short as you want with this shag. Just do whatever you want. Make it yours. Own it, bitches. And there you have it. One awesome neon shag carpet cake. Love y'all. See y'all next week.